Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about self-confidence, and I want to address a lot of hate that I have been receiving on my last video. So if you did miss my last video, I will link it below. But I actually did a collaboration with Sony Music and I did a Halloween inspired makeup tutorial. I did not dress up as something scary. It was inspired by a music video and I just created a makeup look. Now the comments I received from that video, like the feedback from a lot of my Muslim brothers and sisters, was really negative. And I had comments thrown at me like, you know, like you're going straight to hell, or you should go to hell. People like you are fake Muslims. You guys act like you're all religious. I don't act like I'm religious. I don't cover my hair for anyone but Allah. So, you know, I had so much negativity thrown at me, so much hate that I had to deal with, and even like random comments, people being like, you look fat, you're getting pimples, blah, 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 blah. So I wanted to, that kind of did inspire me to talk about self-confidence. And a long time ago I did a poll and I asked you guys if you guys wanted a video on self-confidence as well. So I feel like this is the perfect time to talk about self-confidence. Okay, so as a, you know, blogger, influencer, YouTuber, someone that is on social media influencing people on a daily basis, I receive so much hate. I receive heaps of love and I appreciate that as well. But I receive tons of hate messages, so much criticism on every single thing I do. Like, I even get people commenting on the way I breathe, the way I talk, people thinking my accent is fake, you know, people telling me my hijab is not on the right way. Literally every aspect of our lives is dissected and criticized. So I'm sure a lot of you wonder how I stay confident and how I continue to stay positive and how I continue to believe in myself and stay motivated to do what I do. So a lot of it has to do with training your mind, and that's what I want to teach you guys how to do. Self-confidence is necessary to achieve anything in life. If you're not confident in yourself, you know, no one's gonna just come and believe in you. You can't achieve anything in life until you believe that you can achieve it and you're confident in yourself. You need to bring yourself up, like you need to lift yourself up. And obviously as an influencer, someone on social media, we need to do this on a daily basis. So I'm going to talk to you guys about how I increase my self-confidence and how I don't let the hate affect me. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to train your mind. You need to do some self-talk and basically tell yourself that you are good enough and like you can basically do anything. You need to tell yourself positive things about yourself. So there are enough people all around you, even if you're not someone on social media or you're not an influencer, there are generally enough people telling you negative things. You know, telling you you can't do this, you can't do that. You know, like negative comments, making comments about how you look, behave, anything. So there is enough negativity surrounding us that, you know, we can't be negative with ourselves. Once we start being negative with ourselves and telling ourselves that, you know, we're not good enough, or yeah, I do look fat today, that's when we start bringing ourselves down, and that kind of ruins our ability to achieve anything major in life. So you need to have some self-talk, some positive self-talk. Tell yourself you're good enough. Tell yourself good things about yourself. You don't need to like be obsessed with yourself and love yourself so much, but it needs to just be positive thoughts. So every time someone comments and tells me that, you know, you're doing this wrong, if I am actually doing that wrong and it's constructive criticism, I will take that positively and I will work towards myself, you know, to improve myself. But if it's just plain hate and it's meaningless and it's just someone throwing their own negative energy towards me, then I will literally create a wall and not let it affect me. And that is the only way that I can stay positive and, you know, have a peaceful mind, and obviously have that self-confidence that I actually do have. So I don't let anyone's, you know, toxic things affect me or negativity affect me. But then I also tell myself that I can do anything I want and I can achieve anything in life that I want. Or if I set goals for myself, I keep telling myself that I can do this. And every time I tell myself I can do this, I can always do it. If it's written for me, I can always do it. It's all about what's in your head and what you tell yourself. So the second thing is, you need to filter out toxic people from your life. In my case, it's also like on social media. You know, the same case where I don't let anyone's negative comments affect me, toxic people's negative comments. But generally in life, if you are surrounded by toxic friends, even toxic family, you need to get away from that ASAP. If you are surrounding yourself with the toxic people, they're just constantly going to bring you down, and then you're going to start having the same mindset as them. So the best thing to do is just stay away altogether. If you are friends with toxic people, or, you know, obviously they're not your real friends because they're toxic towards you, they're bringing you down, they're not, you know, affecting you in any positive way. But you need to think about, you know, who you're surrounding yourself with, and surround yourself with the most positive people. Sorry, I live like right next to the airport, so that's a plane. But you need to surround yourself with positive energy and positive people. Like I realized I started feeling the best about myself when I started being friends with, or when I started surrounding myself with positive energy and positive people who bring me up. One example is my husband. He always brings me up. If there's anything I feel, you know, unsure about, or if I doubt myself, he will encourage me and lift me up. So you need to surround yourself with positive energy. But at the end of the day, it's about what you believe. So unless you believe in yourself, no one is going to believe in you. You need to tell yourself every day that you can do this. And this goes for anything in life, whether you're a girl or a guy, any age. You need to do some self-talk and believe in yourself, and then you can literally achieve anything in life. So I hope my tips were helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to talk about more topics, leave them in the comment section below. I would love to talk about these topics to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.